go, budget pork Wellington Pomme Frites and tomato reduction sauce. Just look at that. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, pork Wellington Pomme Frites and a tomato reduction sauce. Now this recipe, I got this idea from a friend of mine, Maria. She posted online and I thought, what a title idea, what a great budget meal. Now it's a bit of a laugh really, but it actually makes a very good meal. So we're going to do a budget pork Wellington Pomme Frites and a tomato reduction sauce. Thanks to Maria. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, then to make our pork Wellington, we got some sausage in here and we want to take the skins off the sausage meats and we're going to use the meat. I told you it's a budget pork Wellington. Okay, it's fantastic. Okay, so we need to take the skins off here and we want the sausage meat on the inside. So all you're going to do is either run your scissors all the way down or run a knife down it. Now we don't want the skin, we want the meat. So take the meat out. Okay, we want about 5 or 6 sausages I reckon, because these are massive. Let's get that meat out of there. By using the sausages that you like, guys, you know, you're getting the flavour that you like inside. You know, that's the main thing. Now, if you have to mix it up a bit, put a little bit of sage in, a little bit of dried thyme in there. You know, you could put onion in, you could put anything you want in. It's up to you how you like your flavour in. You know, but I go for the sausages which I really like the flavour of, and then I don't have to do anything. It's so simple. There you go. So that's our sausage meat for our pork Wellington. Now I'm using frozen puff pastry today. We want a little bit of flour on our surface. Take our puff pastry. Now I'm going to double this up because this puff pastry is rubbish. I'm not going to mince my words. It's shocking. Okay, so there's our pastry. We're just going to give it a little bit of a roll out. And then what we're going to do, we're going to join this other end. Now if you can get some good puff pastry that's not all joined together like this is shocking. You know, normally puff pastry comes and it has some paper in and you can just roll it out. This is disgraceful. So just roll out your pastry, and what we're going to do, I'm going to join this. You know, where there's a will, there's a way, guys, you know. So we are going to join our puff pastry on there. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of our egg wash. Now not much, because I don't want this to split open. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put that pastry on there and we're going to squash it down. Squash it down there. Run that over there. Okay. Now we're at a stage of where you would have some good puff pastry. And what we need to do is take our sausage meat and shove it in there like that. Nice and easy, guys. You know, we're using ready-made sausage meat. It's got all the flavouring in there. It's got everything. And then all we're going to do is bring the pastry over the top. So we're going to a little bit of the old egg wash on there, a little bit of glue on there. And what we need to do is pick this rubbish pastry up like this and bring it over the top. Bring it over the top, and if you have to roll that, roll it. Roll it over. And then just close over the end. Now I can't believe that this puff pastry is like this. It's shocking. Now this could well split. I hope it doesn't, but you know, it could well. There we go. Let's hope we've saved it. And then what we're going to do is put it on a tray. Put that on a tray. Brush over with some egg wash. Nice and steady, a decent amount of egg wash over there. Okay, now here's the thing guys, this is going to explode in the oven. What we're going to actually do is put some vent holes in the top of this. So nice and steady, all the way down, vent holes in there. If not, it's just going to crack open. Now if you want to put a design on, put your design on. In the oven guys, we're going in the oven about 180. We're going in the oven about 175, 180 for about, oh I don't know, 20 minutes. Okay, it's frozen chips for convenience today. So, in the bag, and that is our lovely frozen chips. Okay, we're up to temperature. Let's have the lid off there, lift up the basket, and we want to go in with some frozen chips. So get our frozen chips in there, think about that many, and then in we go. Lid back on to start off with, because it kicks out a lot of steam from the frozen chip as it hits the hot oil. And then we can take off the lid, give it a little flick up and down. We don't want these things sticking together. Now you can cook these at a higher temperature if you so wish, but I like to have that nice potato fluffy chipness in the middle, if you know what I mean. You know, if you fry them up too high, the outside goes really crispy and hard, and the inside is virtually got nothing in it. So a little loosen up in there. They only take about 5 minutes to cook guys, you know, very easy actually. Now don't forget with frozen chips, they already part blanch and cook them, and then flash freeze. You know, they're not raw potato in any way. Okay, they're done enough for me. Give them a little shake round, let them stand. Turn off your fryer. Oh, listen to those. Perfect. Perfect chips. And then what we need to do is dump them on some kitchen towel in a tray. And that is our chips. All we need to do now is put over some salt. Oh, just look at that. That is our budget pork Wellington made. Just look at that, folks. That is amazing. Right, we just have to let that cool a little bit before we can take it off there. And then we'll serve some up. Oh, pork Wellington made. This is our budget pork Wellington. Oh, you have to cut into this. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we are, pork Wellington Pomme Frites and tomato reduction sauce. Now this recipe was influenced by Maria, one of my friends. Amazing. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.